In this video, I'll show you how to log out your Facebook account from all device it's currently logged in on. It's easy, just follow these steps. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device, tap on the menu icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen, scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, then tap on Settings. Scroll down to find Account Center. If you can't find it, use the search bar at the top and type in Account Center. Tap on Account Center. In the Account Center, scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Tap on where you logged in. Select your Facebook account to use see all the devices where your account is currently logged in. You will see a list of devices along with brand names and models where your Facebook account is logged in. To log out from all these devices, tap on Select Device to log out. You can either select specific device by checking the boxes next to them or tap on the Select All button the Select All device. Once all the desired devices are selected, tap on the Logout button. Confirm by tapping Logout again. Following these steps will log you out from all devices your Facebook account is currently logged in on. This is useful for maintaining the security of your account, especially if you log it in from multiple device or suspect unauthorized access. Thanks for watching.